Hey guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. It's absolutely beautiful out. I hope everyone's having a good weekend and getting outside. So I want to make a quick video and talk about these containers. These are containers used in meal preparation. And what I want to say about these containers is that they are not magical. When you put food in there, it doesn't magically become healthy. The reason why I bring that up is because it's 2022. As we move into the future, quote unquote business people infiltrate everything. And what I mean by business people, I mean people that are enter certain sectors just for profitability. So there are places that use containers, little black portion containers, and they put anything in there and they call it a healthy meal prep service. And the reason why this is a problem, the reason why I feel it's important to bring this to people's attention is because you have unsuspecting, I'm going to say innocent people that shop around for better ways to eat. They're trying to lose weight or whatever the case may be. And they end up in a place that says healthy meal preparation. So they go in there unsuspecting. They get something in one of these containers and it has like double carbs. And what I mean by that is, and you can eat carbs by the way, but meals should be macro balanced. X amount of carbs, X amount of protein, X amount of fat. So anyway, they go in somewhere, find a container like this, and they'll get a burrito with rice on the side. That's a double carb. Get a chicken breast that's breaded, and it also has some other kind of carbohydrate in the plate with it. So what I'm saying is, when shopping for healthy prepared meals, if it seems too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. So the business people are here. They might tell you, hey, eat 32 overnight oats a week and you'll lose weight. Does that make any sense? So it's kind of like the sign and the smoke and mirrors of it all. Like, this is a healthy place. Look, the big, huge bodybuilder guy says he eats this, so if I eat it, I'll lose weight. So just use a little common sense. If you have a trainer, if you have anyone that's in the fitness industry that knows something about nutrition, ask them these questions like, hey, I went to this healthy meal place and in the plate it was great. There were 2 tacos, so you got carbohydrates in each tortilla, and then it came with rice and some other stuff, and I ate it and I was super full, and it said healthy. Am I going to lose weight? Ask your fitness professional friends these questions. I have friends that do personal training, so they do the exercise aspect of health. Now their clients, unsuspecting, I don't want to say ignorant because that's a harsh word, but they just don't know much about nutrition. So their clients are paying them for training, a couple $100 a week, and then they're going somewhere eating 16 overnight oats. And then they come back to the trainer and say, hey, Mr. Trainer, this workout program's not working. I'm gaining weight. Trainer gets frustrated, says, well, what are you eating? Oh, I eat at the healthy foods place. But if the healthy foods place is just in it for profitability, they're going to say a bunch of carbs and you're not going to get anywhere. There's not going to be any results. So what do you need to take away from this video? Just because it's in this container does not mean it's healthy and it's going to help you lose weight. Remember, macros. I prefer and suggest that you eat balanced macros. So that ratio is simply 40%, 40%, 20. 40% carbs, 40% protein, 20% fat. So if you're looking at a nutrition label and you see a meal that says 35 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbohydrates, and like 10 grams of fat, that's a pretty good ratio. The carbs and the protein should be at least on the same planet. Okay? So take it for what it's worth. These are not magic. Have a good day.